How to redeem DSW gift card online. Let's go ahead and start with our video. First step is to open up a browser and search for DSW. You can even search for dsw.com. You will land in the official web page of DSW. To redeem your gift card, the first step is to purchase an item from the website. So go ahead and do a little shopping. You can select by category. So go ahead and select the one that you prefer. For an example, I've selected a pair of heels. So this one looks just perfect for my outfit, so I'll be going with it. I hope you have selected one too. Next step is to select the color and size that are available. Then tap on Add to Bag and wait for it to load. Tap on Review Bag and Check Out. Or you can go ahead and tap on Continue Shopping if you want to add more of an item. Now right here in Order Summary, you have to tap on Check Out, but before that, scroll down a little, you will see Offers and enter offer code. Right here, you have to enter the promo code that you have, then tap on Apply. And you will see a discount on your total. Then tap on Check Out and continue with your payment. Once you do this, you'll be able to successfully redeem your DSW gift card. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.